Hello, this is how we drive mass communication here. I'm again with another video. This time we have a battery start for Meta Quest 3 and 3S. So here we go. For Meta Quest 3, this head strap, you can use also 3S. This is the box. So this is ANNAPRO, as you see, is very comfortable. This part of this one give you extra comfort. It will hold all the weight of your headset. If you are using original one, this one you see is very tight, and after 30-40 minutes I feel headache with this one because it's so much tight and all the weight on this belt. I had some pain on the top part of my ear, but with this one I don't feel anything. This one hold all the weight at the front part of your head, at your forehead. After that, if we talk about little bit, you can fold, you see how beautiful. This cushion, you can see here how soft, very premium quality product you can feel here at your head. And this one, this part will hold your back head, is very comfortable. You have a soft as a leather, but very soft. You see how it is. If you press this one, and I feel so much comfortable. And you adjust any way you want. You see, you can put it down, up as you want, as you feel comfortable. This can move all the way. You see, this is the best part of this head strap. And one of the most important is the battery. This battery you can remove very easily. It's with a magnet, and you have 12 pin here. So that means you can charge any way you want. You flip this one, you can see here. This way you can charge from the bottom. You can change the place because 12 pin you can charge anywhere. If you are charging from here, you can do that. Another thing is adjustable. You can adjust, you see, you make it bigger. As you see, if you have a bigger head, in this case, it has a cranking noise, very lovely to listen, to adjust on your head. So very comfortable this headset is. And here you see you have to connect this C port, this one, so you don't need to charge your headset anymore. You charge the battery. This is always should be connected with the C port. You see here, press bit inside. Very comfortable in this case. Move anywhere you want, and to release is very easy. You slide here, you take this out from here. It's very comfortable, easy to assemble. So you have to slide as this, put inside both way, pressure. See how it's coming, how it is. You see, I'm putting more pressure till here. It's fine. Little bit more this side. Lovely. Only put a pressure. You don't have any clip, anything. Till here, you'll see, should come this side, is done. More than that is not possible. Lovely. This is on, for example, you see the lights are blinking to off. You hit 2 times, it's off. I'm gonna show you how you can charge this one. It's very easy to charge, guys. In this case, it's very comfortable. At any moment, if you don't want to use, you can take this off as this. You don't feel anything at your head. Is very comfortable. I've been using for 3-4 weeks now. I never want to go back to this one. This one I throw, this one is gone. You can charge directly as it's connected with a C port of your phone or any other device coming with C port. You connect the charger directly in this case, and let me show you. It may not need to be connected directly together. You see it's charging. You can see the light of charging. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.